Today, we're going to explore how Save Club can transform your budget from a chore into a powerful tool that puts money back in your pocket. The traditional approach to budgeting often feels restrictive, like you're constantly having to say no to the things you want. But Save Club takes a different approach. With Save Club, your budget becomes a way to unlock new income streams and savings on your everyday expenses. It's about finding creative ways to make your money work harder for you. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to track your spending, set savings goals, and identify opportunities to save. But it goes beyond just budgeting. It actually helps you generate extra income through various features. The end result is a budget that actually puts money back in your pocket, rather than just tracking where it all goes. It's a whole new way of thinking about personal finance. Inflation has been driving up prices across the board, putting a strain on household budgets. Traditional MLM companies have been struggling as Amazon's convenience and declining public trust undermine their business models. Most discount programs are fragmented, making it difficult for people to realize meaningful savings. In this tough economic climate, finding ways to save on everyday purchases is crucial. Save Club is a revolutionary digital membership that provides access to a vast network of savings, discounts, cashback offers, and exclusive deals. The core value proposition is simple. The membership returns far more value than the cost. Unlike traditional MLM models, Save Club focuses on providing real-world value through exclusive savings on everyday expenses, rather than high-priced products and high attrition. The company emphasizes a win-win-win situation where customers save, brands gain loyalty, and affiliates earn through a unique AI-powered system. The core savings categories within Save Club are dining, shopping, and travel. For dining, there are over 60,000 restaurant partners with offers like buy one, get one free entrees and 5 to 25% discounts. The shopping category includes over 200,000 stores across a wide range of retailers like Bass Pro Shop, Kohl's, Best Buy, and Amazon. For travel, check out discounts at over 850,000 destinations worldwide through 6 different travel portals, providing significant savings compared to other sites. These core categories cover the everyday spending areas where members can maximize their savings. Save Club gives you more ways to save on the things you already spend money on every day. With entertainment, you can enjoy savings on movies at Cinemark, Regal, and AMC theaters, plus discounts at major theme parks. On average, members save about 25%. For automotive expenses, you'll find deals on essentials like $10 off at Valvoline or $20 off at Take 5 oil changes. You can also save on tires, brake jobs, and even car insurance, sometimes between $300 and $1,000 a year. And with bill negotiation, you can upload your recurring bills like your cell phone, cable, internet, home security, or utilities. If they can't save you money, you pay nothing. If they can, you simply split the savings. Save Club's comprehensive approach means you can save on virtually every category in your budget. Our unique card linking technology allows customers to seamlessly earn cash back on their everyday spending. We have over 40,000 international and 18,000 domestic cashback offers available. Customers can link any credit or debit card to our app, and the cashback is automatically applied as they spend. Our platform operates on the Visa and MasterCard payment networks. Customers can stack our cashback with other discounts like coupons and gift card purchases to maximize their savings. For example, a 20% off CVS coupon combined with 2.5% gift card cashback results in a total savings of 22.5%. Save Club gives you flexible membership options so you can choose what works best for your budget. First, there's the free app. It's currently available in the United States and gives you access to basic cashback and savings. Think of it as the ultimate lead generation tool because it lets you start saving right away at no cost. Next is the monthly membership for just $19.97. This gives you full access to all discounts and savings. And finally, the most popular choice is the annual VIP membership at $299.97. That's the equivalent of a one-time $60 affiliate fee plus $19.97 a month for the year. With this option, you get everything. full access to savings, all of the marketing tools, the AI sales assistant, payment systems, and extra bonuses in the compensation plan. No matter which option you choose, the goal is simple, helping you save money, stick to your budget, and even build passive income opportunities. When it comes to creating income, Save Club offers a business opportunity designed to help everyday people succeed. The model is built on a simple idea: everybody wins. Unlike traditional MLMs, this system removes common barriers and puts automation to work for you. With built-in AI handling customer service, sales, follow-ups, and communication, plus a powerline marketing system that creates urgency and encourages upgrades, you get a business that is designed to run smarter. Here are some of the compensation highlights. Fast starts. You earn $20 for every new affiliate you directly enroll. A 2x16 forced matrix, which means you can even earn without making referrals. Monthly earning potential ranging anywhere from $4,000 to $65,000, depending on your rank. A generational match that pays you 20 to 57% on your personally enrolled members' matrix earnings. And monthly global leadership bonus pools, which distribute 4% of the company's total revenue. This opportunity was built to be simple, automated, and accessible, so you can focus on building financial freedom while helping others save money and succeed too. What makes Save Club different from everything else out there? It comes down to 3 key differentiators. First is real-world value. Save Club focuses on helping you save money on things you're already spending on instead of pushing overpriced products. The membership is designed to literally pay for itself many times over. Second is the AI-powered system. With advanced integration of AI, Save Club automates sales, marketing, and customer service. That means no more rejections and no more complicated selling. The system does the heavy lifting for you. And third, global reach. Save Club is open in over 150 countries with robust payment systems that support crypto, credit and debit cards, and bank transfers through trusted platforms like iPayout, BTI, and UnionPay. Together, these innovations position Save Club to disrupt both the savings app market and the network marketing industry with a smarter, more effective approach. Getting started with Save Club is simple, and it works whether you're focused on saving money or building income. The link to join is in the description below. For savers, just download the free app to explore basic savings. Upgrade to full membership to unlock all discounts, link your cards for automated cashback, and start saving on everyday purchases right away. For entrepreneurs, you can join as an annual VIP affiliate, leverage the AI-powered marketing system, share the free app as your lead generation tool, and begin building your team before the company reaches critical mass. Save Club is positioned for rapid growth with its full suite of products and AI tools. And with the upcoming holiday season and back to school spending, now is the perfect time to upgrade your budget and start seeing results.